26. On your mark. And we get
Go get him.
Will you put the helmet in the bag?
We'll do that for you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Have a good run. Thank you.
Yeah.
The first time a Canadian male has been on the podium, and his is none other than the big Canadian Lionel Sanders. A brilliant performance for this man. He takes the victory as he did in Panama, as he did in Texas last year, as he did, of course, in Mont Tremblant. He is your world champion. How proud are we with a 5:20 clocking? Lionel Sanders, what a story that is. A 5:22. Congratulations, Josh. Proud to see him in Canada. He loves to race and he's taken on major challenges. He won in Xiamen last year. He was second in Dubai, second in Butchajava. Corey in 2011 at 70.3. Ironman Wisconsin champion. Gold medal at the ITU long distance European champion.
That has got to be probably the hardest I've ever ran. Unfortunately, I got it flat on the bike. On the technical descent, scared the crap out of me. There was no support around, had to change it myself. I mean, it's a testament, in my opinion, it's a testament to, first and foremost, always carry a flat kit, and second, it ain't over till it's over. And I knew it was going to come down basically till the final. Could be a sprint. The way the time was coming down, it's basically coming down 2 minutes every 10K, and I was 6 minutes down. It came back a little bit quicker on that final 10K, but my God, it hurt.
I gave it my best shot, and Lionel's a superb athlete, and I knew that he would throw down everything he had, and I knew I'd have to. The only way I was going to beat him was to give everything I had and just see what happened in the race. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it went. I swam strong. I biked really well, probably one of my best bike rides ever, and just came a bit undone on the last lap of the run. So I can't ask any more, really.
That was tough, especially that last 3 kilometres.
It was crazy. Andy was chasing me down for fourth, and as I caught third, Sudan Sudri, we all came together with 3 kilometres to go, and I had one card, and it was just to go then and see if I could get a gap, and it worked. I kicked into another gear and managed to come away with the bronze, which I'm over the moon about.